seatbelt, the need for the seatbelt is securely fastened. Thank you.
After 8 a.m. Our distinguished ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to Caribbean International Airport, Enugu. For safety reasons, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened till the aircraft are come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. When opening your overhead lockers, please be careful of items that could fall out and cause injury. When leaving the aircraft, please remember to take all your personal belongings with you. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted until you are well inside the terminal building. Designated smoking areas. On behalf of FP's Captain Arasi, Senior First Officer Divine, our Caribbean Supervisor, Oluwashel, Kenneth Chubu, and Obi, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and we look forward to welcoming you aboard again soon. For our next flight with us, one of stop today with our latest news and development, as well as our special offers by logging onto our website at flyfs.com. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. If you are here to register with our frequent flyer program, and I'll visit our website for further information. Our distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may we remind you that FP is currently flying out to Lagos into the city of Enugu, Owerri, Port Harcourt, Calabar, Benin, Abuja, Uyo, and we just commenced our Accra, Ghana route today. For further information, why not visit our website at www.flyfs.com. Sincerely thank you for choosing to fly with us today. I will look forward to welcoming you aboard again soon. Good morning.
Welcome to Enugu, ladies and gentlemen, from the corporate, your captain speaking to the man, pleasure being the commander of your flight today. Hope your flight was pleasant for you. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a very good stay, cool, safe, and love to your families, everyone. Good morning.